Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about tennis. French Open just ended 2 weeks ago. People were fascinated by the charm of tennis. Here I'm going to give you a speech about tennis in three aspects: the match rules, the rules of ranking, and different types of tennis courts. So when next time you watch a tennis game or talk to someone about tennis, you will sound like a professional. Firstly, to know about the game rules is the first step to learn about tennis sport. There are slight differences between the rules of single match and the rule of the double match, but they are still really similar. There are single side line and the double side line. The wider line is the double side line. The single side line is inside the double line, which makes sense that there are two people playing in each side, so wider space is needed. The serving position is different in single match and the double match. In the single match, the players will never will serve close to the middle line. For the double match, the player will be a little far away from the middle line. One player will serve the ball into the one box, and the receiver will be waiting the ball at the diagonal box at the opposite side. Knowing how to calculate the points for the single and double match is also important. The tennis scores is the same for single and double match. Firstly, the scoring of the tennis consists of game, set, and match. A game consists of the sequence of points played with the same player serving. To win, to win one game, you have to at least win 4 points. First point game is 15, and then 30, and then 50, and then 40 game point. The set consists of sequence of games. To win a set, the player needs to win at least 6 games. And for the entire match, consists of sequence of sets. For males game, except for the Grand Slam, is required for win 3 sets. Other games require 2 sets. And for the females game, all, all of the tournament require winning 2 sets. All the information just talked about is about the match rules of tennis. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the all different levels of tournament. Every year, there are tons of the tennis matches, but you might only notice some of them. I will tell you which tournament is the most important. So I will explain to you what happened to these games. The games divided into 5 levels. The Grand Slam is the top. Next is the Master 1000, then 500, then 250. The last one is the Challenger tournament. What does the points mean to the players? The points earned in each game will be accumulated and based the points the player will be ranked. The choice of the game is really important for the player. Every year we have 4 Grand Slam tournaments, 9 Masters 1000 tournaments. Those tournaments are really important for the professional tennis players. Finally, I'm going to talk about 3 types of court. Some of you might notice the type of court sometimes different in different games. There are 3 types of courts for tennis games, including clay court, grass court, hard court. French Open is the most important clay court tournament. Wimbledon tournament is the grass court, is located at United Kingdom. US Open is the hard court. Tennis players do have their favorite site. For example, Rafael Nadal likes the clay court, Roger Federer prefers the grass court. In the conclusion, as you know more and more about tennis, you will discover more fun from the watching tennis games. Tennis has so long history that people from all over the world fascinated with tennis. I hope you guys like tennis after I finish this speech. Thank you.